Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza with no cheese. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. Let it rise in a warm place for about 60 minutes, then gently stretch it into your desired pizza shape. Next, we'll add our delicious sauce and toppings. Use about 1/2 cup of your favorite marinara or tomato sauce, spreading it almost to the edge. Now, get creative with your toppings. Sliced bell peppers, red onions, and black olives work wonderfully. For extra flavor, try roasted garlic or fresh basil leaves. Remember, the goal is vibrant, fresh ingredients. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to a scorching 475 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a pizza stone or steel, place it in the oven while preheating for a crispier crust. Carefully transfer your topped pizza onto the hot surface. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden and the toppings are tender. Once baked, carefully remove your pizza from the oven. Let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This helps the flavors meld and prevents burns. A sprinkle of fresh oregano or a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil can elevate the taste. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful, and completely cheese-free pizza. It's a delightful alternative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.